All right, guys, time to get into some memorabilia breaks. So this is our Tristar Diamond Stars autographed baseball break from eBay last night. So you've got one autographed baseball per box, chance to pull some nice names, including Jeter and Ichiro, um, and then you've got Walter Johnson as the grand treasure. So let's see what we can get out of here. CJ, you've got the A's, David with the White Sox, Eric K with the Royals, Marlins, Brewers, and Pirates. George H with the Braves, Jacob G with the Padres. We got Jeremy W with the Diamondbacks, the Angels, and the Rays. Jordan with the Tigers. Ray, what's up, man? You've got the Orioles. And then Rick M's got the Red Sox, the Cubs, the Reds, the Rockies, the Astros, the Dodgers, the Mets, Yankees, Phillies, Giants, Cardinals, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Seth K, what's up, man? You've got the Twins and the Mariners. And then Travis, you've got the Cleveland Indians. Yeah, one card in the Prism basketball. And it's graded. It's guaranteed to be a rookie Prism. So all right, we got a couple of things down here. So it's PSA DNA certified. Oh, dang. Check out this auto and inscription. Dude, it's going to be Buck O'Neil. That's awesome. Manager, Kansas City Monarchs. First black, does that say Negro Leagues? Or Big League? Yeah. First black Big League coach. That's awesome. So Buck O'Neil, Kansas City Monarchs. I can't remember if is that the Oakland A's or is that Kansas City Royals? Here, let's pull out the card too. All right, there's the card. All right, that's awesome. So let's figure out what team that needs to go to. All right, let's see. So Kansas City, 1938 Kansas City Monarchs. All right, yes, I think it is going to be Oakland because Kansas City Royals didn't technically start until '69. So it looks like it may be Oakland. Let's see. Hang on. Well, I don't know, dude. It was the Philadelphia A's, which is not who he played for. What the heck, man? So Kansas City Monarchs technically wasn't a MLB team. There's no affiliation. So he played his whole career. So we're going to have to go based on where he managed because he didn't have a team. Yeah. So Monarchs were the Negro League. So let's double check and see as a manager. All right, come on. Coach for the Cubs. All right, so see, that's what it says right here. He was the coach in Major League Baseball at the Cubs in '62. So I think that's who it's going to have to go to. So he signed the Monarchs, but so it is going to have to be the Cubs. I was trying to see who he managed for. So that is going to be the Cubs, which is a little bit odd. So the Cubs in this is going to be Rick. All right, so Rick, that one's coming to you, man. It's a nice baseball. I don't know how much that's worth. Definitely an old signature. First one we've pulled of him. So we will get that car or that baseball in the mail to Rick tomorrow. And we'll do another box of this coming up next weekend. So it'll end on eBay on Saturday night. We'll break it here next Sunday.